Hello students, let's go to the next topic, factorization. You can find my previous topic link in the comment box. What this factorization theorem says? Factor theorem. If px is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, n greater than or equal to 1, and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of px if pa is equal to 0, and pa is equal to 0 if x minus a is factor of px. So first consider for polynomial with degree 1. So you get px is equal to x minus a. Here simply we can prove, replacing value of x with a, you get a minus a equal to 0. So for n is equal to 1, we can prove the factorization theorem. If pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is the factor of px. Consider polynomial with degree n greater than 1. By remainder theorem, what do you get? Px is equal to x minus a multiplied by qx plus p. What is the remainder according to our theorem? What is the first condition? If pi is equal to 0. So if we have pi is equal to 0, then what do you get? Px is equal to x minus a multiplied by qx. So as it is multiplication of two polynomials, the theorem is proved. Second, if x minus a is the factor of px. X minus a is the factor of px, so we can replace, that means we can find the 0 of the polynomial by replacing x equal to a. So our px, that is pa, becomes a minus a multiplied by ga. We can consider this another polynomial with the same polynomial with value a. So we get this value as 0. So the theorem is proved. So given polynomial is px equal to x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Check whether x minus 1 is the factor. So first find 0 of the polynomial x minus 1. So equate it to 0. We get x equal to 1. Replace this value in the polynomial. So by replacing px equal to 1, we get p1 is equal to 1 cube minus 5 into 1 plus 2. So you get 1 plus 2 minus 5. So as you get x equal to p1 is equal to 0, so x minus 1 is the factor of px. p1 is the polynomial, px is 3x cube minus 4x square minus 5x plus k. Find k. Now we have to replace this with the factor because x minus 2 is the factor of px. So find the value by taking 0 of the polynomial. So x minus 2 is 0. You get value of x as 2. So find p of 2. As it is the factor of px, 2 is the factor, so equate it to 0. So 3, 2 cube minus 4 to 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus k. Equate it to 0, so you get 3 to 8 minus 4, 4 minus 10. So what do you get? So you get here minus 2 plus k is 0, so k is 2. Simply you can solve the equation, polynomial.